Hello YouTube and welcome to this video where we're going to scare little girls and boys with this big guy.
We're going to use the great scary prank Yawn!
So basically we're going up to little kids and just say Yawn!
Right in their heads, and they are going to shit in their pants. It's going to be very fun. Okay, YouTube, now are we going to get into the school to the small kids and go scare the hell out of them.
Alright, see you.
Yawn! 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 He's just old. Yawn! They were too nerdy. Yawn! Yawn! Jan Pytlik.